For all machines with JCB GPS, we have the ability to import or export maps. So if we click GPS down in the bottom left-hand hotkey, it takes us straight to the GPS screen. To then import and export maps, we need to go into our Grower Farm Field Operations tab. This is by pressing the button second down on the left-hand side. Under the Overview tab, there are two buttons, Export and Import. The USB for both exporting and importing is located under the armrest as shown here. When importing from the USB, simply select the data that you want to import to the Fastrac. Then as soon as it's ready, it will ask you if you want to import the data. It is worth noting that this will override any existing data currently in the Fastrac GPS screen. Once imported, we can go over to this Field tab, as you can see. We have a field that's already been imported from the USB stick. Alternatively, if you're running multiple Fastracs or multiple tractors in your fleet with different GPS systems, we have the ability to export our fields and data. If you click Export, the option comes up to either export data in JCB data, which allows you to transfer from Fastrac to Fastrac. The other option is ISO XML. This can be used in conjunction with third-party GPS systems or farm management software. By clicking this, you can click the folder and export it. Once it's all been exported, you can remove the USB. To import variable rate mapping, we simply go to Operations under our Grower Farm Field Operations tab. Simply click on the operation that you want to import a variable rate map to. On the right-hand side, click Import Shape, and then simply follow the process finding the map that you want to import. This will allow you to select the units for the variable rate. And as you can see here, you get a visual map showing the imported map. Once imported, this map will now work with that selected operation.